Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of landscaping and share tips and inspiration for creating beautiful yards. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of landscaping yards and discussing some key principles and ideas that can transform your outdoor space into a stunning oasis. So let's get started. When it comes to landscaping your yard, there are several essential steps to consider. Let's explore them in detail. Step 1. Assessing your yard and setting goals. Before you begin any landscaping project, it's crucial to evaluate your yard's size, shape, and existing features. Take note of any problem areas, such as poor drainage or uneven terrain. Additionally, consider your goals and preferences. Understanding your objectives will guide your design choices. Step 2. Designing your landscape. Once you have a clear understanding of your yard and goals, it's time to design your landscape. Consider elements such as pathways, garden beds, trees, and focal points. Balance is key when selecting plants, ensuring they thrive in your climate and complement one another. Plan for year-round interest, incorporating plants that bloom at different times to maintain visual appeal throughout the seasons. Step 3. Preparing the ground. Proper soil preparation is essential for healthy plant growth. Clear any debris, weeds, or rocks from the area. Test your soil's pH levels and amend it if necessary. Adding compost or organic matter can improve soil structure and provide essential nutrients. Remember to consider irrigation needs and install any necessary systems, such as sprinklers or drip irrigation. Step 4. Planting and installation. Now comes the exciting part, bringing your design to life. Start by planting trees, shrubs, and larger plants first, as they serve as the foundation of your landscape. Then, add flowers, ground covers, and other smaller plants to fill in the gaps. Follow proper planting techniques, ensuring adequate spacing, proper depth, and appropriate watering. Step 5. Maintenance and care. Congratulations on completing your landscaping project. However, the work doesn't end here. Regular watering, fertilizing, pruning, and mulching are necessary tasks to keep your plants thriving. Additionally, address any weed control and pest management needs to protect your investment. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to landscaping yards. By following these steps and putting your creativity into action, you can transform your yard into a breathtaking outdoor sanctuary. Remember, landscaping is a continuous process, so enjoy the journey and make your yard a true reflection of your vision and style. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more landscaping tips and inspiration. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, happy landscaping!